have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size will be 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team will be allotted to track and work on students' progress. We cover syllabus as per as your school examination schedule, and we also handle custom requirements. Yes. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report which is sent to you monthly. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted from every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. So student can take unlimited practice test, where all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. So students, those are new to this stream, book a free trial class today. Yes. Also subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. So yes, jaldi students, those who are seeing this stream, comment your name. Yes, I can see few students. So Akhil is there, Akhil is there, Harsh is there, and one more student is there. Okay, so introduce yourself in the chat. Let me know your name, who all are seeing the stream. Yes, so what are we going to study today? We are going to study the second part of exponents and power. So power से मुझे एक बहुत ही अच्छा quote याद आदि है. So this quote is used in the movie of Spider-Man. With great power comes great responsibility. So I hope you all students are equally responsible. Okay, you should take care. Okay, like because of the COVID situation going in the India, don't go outside unnecessarily. Only go if it is too emergent, too urgent. Okay, so simply don't go outside. Yes, stay indoors, stay safe. So yes, good morning everyone. Let us start our today's class, exponents and power. Okay, so the second part. So today's objective will be some properties of exponents. We are going to learn some properties of exponents, and we are going to practice some problems. Yes, so properties of exponents. Okay, so yesterday we had studied three laws. Okay, so what are those three laws? Do you remember? Product law, quotient law, power law. Okay, so product law says a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n will give you a raised to m plus n. Okay, where a is called the base, m is called the power. For example, 3 raised to 3 times 3 raised to 2 will give you 3 raised to 5. Okay, so this is product law. Okay, so we have a quotient law. What is the quotient law? So a raised to m divided by a raised to n will give you a raised to m minus n if m is greater than n. Okay, and this will give you 1 by a raised to n minus 1 when you will get this if n is greater than m. Okay, for example, let us take a raised to 5 divided by a. Instead of a, let us take 9 raised to 5. Okay, 9 to the power 5 means what? You need to multiply 9 with itself 5 times. This is what is 9 raised to 5 divided by 9 raised to 3. How much is this? This is 9 raised to 5 minus 3. This is 9 raised to 2. Okay, so yes, what's all? तुम भी आ गए हो? Okay, I feel happy. All my students are here. So yes, so this is called as quotient law. And the last one we had studied, a raised to m raised to n is equal to a raised to m times n. Okay, so 2 raised to 3 raised to 4 is nothing but 2 raised to 3 times 4, which is 2 raised to 12. And we had studied zeroth law. Okay, any number raised to 0, for example 3 raised to 0 is 1. Okay, this is called the zeroth law. Okay, zeroth power law. So all these things we have studied in the previous class. Today we will study some more properties of the exponents. So yes, suppose if the question is given like this, a times b whole to the power n, we can write this as a raised to n times b raised to n. Okay, so write this in your book, students. Those are seeing the stream, write this name here. Okay, so yes, a times b raised to n is equal to what? A raised to n times b raised to n. Now the question is there like this. Okay, a raised to 3, we can also say this as a cube, times b raised to minus 2 or b power minus 2 whole raised to 4. हाउ टू राइट दिस, देखो यहाँ पे ये कैसा लिखना है. सो दिस होल टर्म a cube, okay, raised to 4 times b raised to minus 2 raised to. अभी हमने पावर लॉ सीखा है. व्हाट डज दैट पावर लॉ सेज? a raised to m raised to n is nothing but a raised to m times n. Okay, b raised to minus 2 times. How much is a raised to 3 times 4? A raised to 12 times b raised to. How much is minus 2 times 4? That is minus 8. Okay, this is how we do it, guys. Yes, so I want everyone here, okay, to solve the next problem. Akhil, Harsh, Vatsal, okay. So yes, solve the next problem. Ready for the next problem? Okay. तो यस अगर रेडी हो तो यस करके नीचे टाइप करो एवरीवन. ओके, and please don't like spam the chat. Okay, I know you guys are excited. Okay, but let us keep the excitation balanced. Okay, please don't flood the charts. Only use the charts to ask doubts, to reply to the answers. Okay guys, so chalo, ready for the next problem? Okay, now देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so in chat I don't think so you can write raise to, like a to the power अगर 8 लिखना है तो ये लिखना मुश्किल है, तो तुम ऐसे लिख सकते हो a raised to 8, or I will read it as raised to or power, a to the power 8 or a raised to 8. ओके, तो ऐसा ही इस्तेमाल करना है. यस, so okay, what will be the answer for this? आंसर नीचे दे दिए है उन लोगों ने. ओके, वी विल कवर इट. यस गाइस, a to the power 6, a raised to 6 times b raised to 4 whole raised to minus 2. Okay, how to do this? Using the formula a raised to m b raised to n, okay, raised to z. This is a raised to m times z into b raised to n times z. Use this formula and tell me the answer in the chat, guys. Okay, yes, Prashant. Hello, good morning. How are you today? Okay, yes, please try to join us. Okay, use this 1 hour of valuable time to learn something new. Okay, so we are solving some problems on exponents and power. So if you can, yes, pay attention and try to answer in the chat. Yes. Okay, now using this formula, m, what is m here? M is 6. What is z here? Minus 2. What is n here? B, n here is 4. So substitute this and tell the answer. Tell the answer. Kitna hai answer? Yes. So a raised to 6 times minus 2. Okay, times b raised to 4 minus 2. How much is this? 6 times minus 2 is 12. Harsh, I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. A raised to minus 12 times b raised to minus a. तुम चैट में कैसे लिख सकते हो स्टूडेंट्स? a r minus 12 into b r minus 8. I will consider r as raised to. Okay, so this is how you need to answer in the chat. Okay, so ready for the next question? Ready everyone? Okay, yes. So रेस टू के लिए क्या यूज करना है? आर यूज करना है. ओके, एंड आज का प्रॉब्लम, आज टुडे लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स विल बी बेस्ड ऑन दिस फॉर्मूला ओनली. a raised to m times b raised to n whole raised to this is a raised to. Okay, Vatsal, you have not understood here. Okay, so see this formula, write down this formula, and I will teach you in the next. I will teach you with an example of a next problem. So ये formula लिखो अपने book में. So yes, be ready, keep this formula ready, and based on this we will solve next problem. Okay? Yes. Okay, guys. Okay. Next question. Minus 5 raised to 4 minus 5 into. Okay. Here we are going to use product law. Product law क्या कहता है? What does product law says? A raised to m times a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. यहाँ पे a minus 5 है, m minus 4 है, n 2 है. So using this formula, guys, what do we get? Minus 5 raised to minus 4 plus 2. Okay, so minus 5 raised to minus 2. This is the answer. Okay, understood, guys, how to solve this? This is the problem. Yes. Okay, now value based questions. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, value based questions. Okay, so as a part of Earth Day celebration, an inter-class poster making competition was arranged between 9 sections of class 7. Each section was provided a sheet measuring 75 centimeter into 40 centimeter. Yes, for making the poster. Okay, so find the total area of the sheet provided to the students. Okay, express the area in exponential form. Okay, so what is the size of the poster? 75 centimeter into 40 centimeter. जो बड़ा है वो 75 सेंटीमीटर है, जो छोटा है वो 40 सेंटीमीटर है. So find the area. Area कैसे निकालते हैं? Area of rectangle is given by, yes, length times breadth. So yes, 75 times 40. Okay, guys, if you know Vedic maths, you can use Vedic maths and tell the answer of this. How much is the area of this? 75 times 40. How much is this? So yes, 75 times 40. 4 7 ja 28 slash 7 zeros are 0. 4 5 are 20. 0. Final answer 0030. So the area of the rectangle is 3000 centimeter square. Now express this in exponential form. कैसे करना है? How to express this in exponential form? You can write this as 3 into 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3, how much is that? 10 raised to 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. 10 को खुद से 3 times multiply करना है. So it is 1000, and 1000 into 3 is 3000. So 3 into 10 raised to 3 centimeter square. This is the answer for this problem. Okay, yes students, don't forget to write the units. Okay, units अगर भूलते हो तो सर 1 marks या मैम 1 marks कट कर सकते हैं. There are chances. You can write like this also, SQCM, which means square centimeter. That is also the answer. That will be easy for you to write in the chat, SQCM करके. So understood how to express in the powers? This is how we express it in the powers. Yes. Write any two ways which you can save the earths. Earth को कैसा बचा सकते हो guys? Yes, this is a general question. I want answers from all of you. I can see right now there are 5 live students. So yes guys, so this is a question for you, upcoming Indian generation. Okay, so write any two ways which you can save the earth. How you can save the earth? Yes. Yes, the answer is by planting more trees, okay, by being a responsible citizen, okay, by not making the place a litter or dirty, okay, so by reducing the wastage, by using less plastics, okay, by helping the poor persons, okay, by helping, by serving food to the street dogs, both sare, okay, not only earth, like to save humankind, living beings up. So these are the few things which you can do to make earth a better place, okay, and also you will be best blessed by God. So these are the few things, okay, which you need to do guys. Feels very good. So yes, properties of exponents. So yes, Harsh, you have said it right, by planting trees, by stopping pollution too. Okay, yes, you are right. Okay, instead of going by two-wheeler, okay, by motorcycle, you go by cycle. So exercise भी हो जाएगा, pollution भी कम हो जाएगा, and petrol rate also is too much nowadays. Yes, you will save money also. Okay. Now next property, coming back to the second, coming back to this property, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Yes, we have already studied this. This is called as quotient law. So a raised to m, okay, divided by a raised to n. We can write this as a raised to m minus 1. Okay, when to use this formula? If m is greater than n. अगर नहीं है तो, अगर n greater है तो we should use a raised to n minus m when n is greater than m. Okay, so based on this, should we solve problems? Ready guys? Okay, simple formula है, बहुत ही easy है. Yes, so let us solve some problems on this. So 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to minus 6. Okay, 3 raised to 5. Okay, divided means नीचे लिखना है, divided by 3 raised to minus 6. Now m, a raised to m, a raised to n. m का वैल्यू 5 है, n का वैल्यू minus 6 है. Here, which value is greater? M is obviously greater than n, right? So what formula you need to use? You need to use this formula, a raised to m minus of minus, minus of minus, minus into minus. क्या है guys? So what is minus into minus? Okay, minus into minus is plus. So 3 plus 6. Okay, 3 raised to 5 plus 6 is 3 raised to 11. So how will you write the answer in the chat? You will write 3R 11. I will consider this as, I will read this as 3 raised to 11 or 3 power 11. Yes guys? Okay, did you get the same answer everyone? Okay, yes. ओके, अखिल ने भेज दिया है आंसर, सही जवाब. ओके, so try to send little bit early, okay, before I say, or I will wait for your answers this time. ठीक है? Okay, solve this, try to solve this guys. 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 8 into 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, कैसा करना है हर्ष? How to do this? हर्ष, I want answer from you, also from Prashant, and if Vatsal you are there, I want answer from Vatsal. Okay, so who else is there? Who else is there? Okay, apart from these people, I can see there are more people online. So yes, try to solve this guys. Okay, chalo. 3 raised to 5 divided by 3 raised to 8 times 3 raised to minus 5. First, let us use the formula a raised to a raised to m divided by a raised to n. यहाँ पे n ग्रेटर है तो 1 by a raised to n minus m यूज करेंगे. So how much is that? So 1 by 3 raised to 8 minus 5 times 3 raised to minus 5. 8 minus 5, how much is that? 8 minus 5, how much is that? 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 3. ये 3 raised to minus 5 है. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. Using this formula, this will become what? This will become 1 by 3 raised to 5. Okay, या दोनों को ऊपर लिख दो. Okay, if you are getting confused, so into 3 raised to minus 5. Now let us write both the powers above. So 1 by 3 raised to 3, I can write 3 raised to minus 3 times 3 raised to minus 5. A raised to m into a raised to n, we can write a raised to m plus n. Okay, plus into minus is minus. So we get 3 raised to minus 3 minus 5, 3 raised to minus 8 आएगा. Or I can write this as 1 by 3 raised to 8. This is the right answer, guys. Okay, this is how you need to write. Okay, yes. I don't know. Oh, okay. Sorry. We forgot about this raised to 5, right? चलो एक बार करते हैं. I forgot to write this. Okay, now see here how to write this. Okay, Akhil, I think Akhil may have answered it right, but we will check out this. So a raised to m raised to n hai. So this I can write 3 raised to 5 into 5. Okay, divided by months मैं नीचे लिखूंगा. So 3 raised to 8 raised to 5. Okay, multiply by 3 raised to minus 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 8 times 5 is 40. ओके तो इसको ऊपर ही लेके आएंगे. आई नो n इज स्मॉलर तो वो एक स्टेप हो जाएगा तो डायरेक्टली ले सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. सो 3 raised to 25 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 raised to 40 times 3 raised to minus 5. Okay, now if I want to write this, I can write 3 raised to 25 minus 40 times 3 raised to minus 5 is equal to 3 raised to 25 minus 40 कितना है? How much is that? It is minus 15. Okay, and 3 raised to minus 5. A raised to m raised to n, a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. So minus of plus into minus is minus. So 15 minus 5 is minus 20. So 3 raised to minus 20 is the answer. Okay, or you can write 1 by 3 raised to 20. This is also the answer. Okay, yes. Okay, now simplify this big equation. So do you want some time to solve this, guys? I don't see you answering. Okay, try to answer them. Try to answer them. Yes, I'm going to give some time for you. Then I will start solving. So yes, 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 raised to minus 2. So how to solve this? Okay, using the formula a by b raised to n, a raised to n, b raised to n. This is the clue which I have given. Now rest everything is maths. So 1 raised to minus 2. Okay, divided by 3 raised to minus 2 minus 1 raised to minus 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 3, and this whole divided by 1 by 5. Okay, raised to minus 2, raised to minus 2. Okay. Now 1 raised to any number. Okay, 1 raised to any power. 1 raised to any power. Maybe in positive, maybe negative. Any power is always 1. 1 को कितना बार भी multiply करो तुम. Okay, you always will get 1. Okay, except 1 raised to 0 is 1 raised to 0. That is also 1. Okay, so all values are 1. Yes. So how can we write this now? We can write this as 1 by 3 raised to minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to minus 3 divided by 1 by 5 raised to minus 2. Okay? Yes. Now, okay, let us simplify this now. Okay, 1 by 3 raised to minus 2. Okay, I will write it as 3 raised to 2 minus 2 raised to 3. Okay, this is in the bracket. We need to solve this first. Divided by 5 square. Okay, so yes, try to answer this. Okay, students, those who are late. Okay, koi baat nahi. It happens. Yes, now you try to solve. Pay attention. So Sunny is there, Rupali is there. Okay, try to solve them. So 3 raised to 2. How much is 3 raised to 2? 3 raised to 2. Okay, 3 raised to 3 2 means 3 को दो बार मल्टीप्लाई करना है itself से. So 3 times 3 is 9. 2 raised to 3 means 2 को we need to multiply by itself. How many times? 3 times. So how much is this? 8 divided by, okay, 5 square means 5 को खुद से 2 times multiply करना है 25. Now try to solve this. Yes, good morning Sunny, good morning, good morning. Yes, ये solve करो. Okay, so this is 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 divided by 25. इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1 divided by 25. 1 by 25. So this is the answer, guys. Okay, so did you get this? Okay, okay, yes. So 1 by 25 is the answer. So yes. So this property we have used, a raised to n, b raised to n can be written as a by b whole raised to n. For example, okay, so 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 3. Okay, इसको हम ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write this like this also. 2 by 3 whole to the power 3. Okay, if we want to simplify it and write the final answer means 2 cube. How much is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 3 cube is nothing but 3 को खुद से 3 times multiply करना है. So yes, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. So the answer is 8 by 27 for this. Okay, yes. Now let us simplify this. Okay, do you want some time? Okay, I will give some head start for you. Try to solve this. Okay, so how to solve this? This can be solved as a raised to 4 times minus 2 divided by b raised to 3 times minus 2. This is equal to 4 times minus 2 is minus 8 and b 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो ये माइनस 6 से ऊपर लेके जाओ प्लस 6 हो जाएगा, ये माइनस 8 है नीचे लेके आओ प्लस 8 हो जाएगा. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट, दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट. Okay, so this is how we write this. Understood? Okay, yes. Okay, see, this is how we write the answer. Okay, now see, based on this, now this will be very easy. So yeah, try to answer this. So yes, here if you want to write a raised to minus 10, Okay, it is difficult to type in the chat, I understand this. So a raised to minus 10 ऐसा लिख सकते हो. Okay, so write the answer for this. Harsh, try to answer this. And even Sunny, and who else is that? Rupali, yes, if you are there. So Rupali Hukeri, I think he may be Sarvai. Okay, Sarvai is there. Yes, Sarvai, try to solve this. Okay, yes, this can be written as a raised to minus 5 times minus 2 because of this, divided by b raised to minus 6 times minus 2. Now, minus 5 into minus 2, how much is that? It is plus 10, guys. So, a to the power 10, b to the power minus 6 times minus 2 is 12. So, this is the answer. This is the answer. Yes. Okay. There is some mistake from that side. Okay. So, yes, this should be plus. Okay, I will tell them to correct this. So ये plus होना चाहिए. So this is the answer, guys. Okay, Akhil, you have answered it. Very good, Akhil. चलो Akhil. Now try to answer it quickly. थोड़ा जल्दी आंसर कर दो. Okay. हाँ. This is little bit tricky and थोड़ा tough problem. So prove that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS side ये है, RHS पर ये है, हमको LHS is equal to RHS दिखाना है. Okay, we need to simplify the LHS side and tell it, that is, show it is equal to the RHS. So x plus y raised to minus 1, I can write it as 1 by x plus y. Okay, multiply by x raised to minus 1 ko we can write 1 by x plus 1 by y. Now take LCM, guys. What we will get? We will get 1 by x plus y. Okay, so y or x नीचे रहेगा xy. Yes. Now pay attention over here, guys. Pay attention over here. Now I am going to write this as it is. 1 by x plus y is equal to. Now see here, y plus x. Can I write it as x plus y? Yes, of course I can write it as x plus y. 3 plus 2 is 5. I can also write it as 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 are the same thing. Okay, ऊपर वाला term लिख दिया, नीचे वाला term क्या है? xy. Now these are the same terms, we are going to cancel, so we are left with 1 by xy, which is nothing but xy raised to minus 1, which is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Okay, this is how we need to solve. Okay, ये सब chat में type नहीं कर सकते, मुझे पता है. Okay, so this is how we solve it, guys. देखो RHS आ गया है, hence we have proved this. So yes, so property of exponents. Okay, so zeroth power law बोलते हैं. So any number raised to 0 will always give us 1. कैसे sir? How? Okay, so let us take this example, a raised to m by a raised to n. How much is the answer for this? A raised to m minus n. Now let us take the value of m as 1, n as 1. A raised to 1 divided by a raised to 1. Now same number by same number. 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 5 by 5, 99 by 99. Same number by same number will give me 1, right? Now let us use this formula, a raised to 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 कितना है? 0 है. So a raised to 0 is 1. This is how we get the value. A raised to 0 is 1. Okay, so a raised to cube means what? A times a times a. A raised to 5 means what? A times a times a times a times a. a को खुद से 5 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, सो यस, नाउ a रेज टू -2 मीन्स व्हाट? -2 है, तो दिस इज 1 बाय a स्क्वायर, दिस इज 1 बाय a टाइम्स a. समझ गए? अंडरस्टूड? एंड a रेज टू 0 इज 1. Any number, 10 raised to 0, 1. 39 raised to 0, 1. Okay, 1 raised to 0, 1. Okay, any number raised to 0 is 1, guys. 99 raised to 0, बताओ इसका आंसर क्या है? Yes, I want all of you to answer this. Okay, how much is 99 raised to 0? 99 raised to 0 is how much? I'm waiting for you guys to reply in the chat. Okay, yes. The answer for any number raised to 0 is 1. 1 is the answer, guys. Yes. Okay. So this we have studied yesterday. A raised to minus m is 1 by a raised to m, and 1 by a raised to minus m is a raised to m. Okay. So based on this, so let us solve a problem. Okay, 5 raised to 7. How much is that? 5 raised to 7 is nothing but 1 by 5 raised to 7. Okay, this is the answer. Sir, हमको इसको expand करना है क्या? Like 1 times 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 लिख के सब multiply करके करना है? No, that is a tedious job. Okay, उसको easy लिखना है, इसीलिए तो हम exponents and power use करते हैं to write it in a easy manner. Okay, so if there were 2-3 values and if you know the cubes for them, you could have written. But this is a hectic process to multiply 7 times, okay, manually. So छोड़ दो उसको, इतना ही रखना है आंसर. This only, till here only you need to solve this. Okay, now this we have already done. This is equal to what? Okay, a raised to minus b, I'll write 1 by a raised to b. B raised to minus a, I'm going to write b raised to a. So this is b raised to a raised to b. This is the answer for this. Okay, b raised to a raised to b. Okay, there is some correction here. I will tell them to correct. This should be a to the power. Okay. यस, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट वन. ओके, इसे ध्यान से देखो. Those types of problems you will get very often in the upcoming standards, also in engineering and all. Okay, तो ये प्रॉपर्टी बहुत ही यूजफुल है. ओके, nth root of a, how to read this? I'm going to read it again. Nth root of a, nth root of a is equal to a raised to 1 by n. And nth root of a to the power m is a to the power m raised to n. देखो यहाँ पे nth root बोले तो क्या लिखना है? a to the power 1 by n. अगर a का कुछ पावर है, यहाँ पे पावर 1 है इसलिए हमने 1 लिखा है. अगर इसका पावर 2 रहता तो हम 2 लिखते, 3 लेता तो 3 लिखते. If the power is m, we will write a to the power n by n. Okay, understood? Write these two formulas in your book, this one and this one. Now we will solve some problems based on this. Yes, have you written this in your book? So third root of 5 to the power 2, this is written as 5 to the power 2 by 3. ये 2 यहाँ पे लिख दिया, ये 3 यहाँ पे लिख दिया, ऐसा लिखना है using this formula. this is the answer. This is how you need to write this. Okay. So yes, what about this? What about this? Guys, can you answer this in the chat? Like 13 raised to लिख सकते हो dash dash dash. How much is the answer? Write like this in the chat. 13 raised to dash. Why dash? Okay, but in books, in examination R नहीं लिखना है. यहाँ पे चैट करने के लिए तुम लोग को इजी होना चाहिए, अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए, इसलिए मैंने बोला है. सो 13 रेज टू 4/5 इज द आंसर. Okay, so did you know this? Chalo, we are about to end our chapter. So did you know exponents are important in maths because they allow us to abbreviate something that would be otherwise really tedious to write? So यही guys, यही देखो यहाँ पे वो एक आया था क्वेश्चन, tedious to write. Okay, so 5 raised to minus 7 is 1/5 raised to 7. Okay, ये कितना सोचो, ये कितना मुश्किल होता to write 1/5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times so on like 7 times. Okay, it will be very tedious to write, right? So that's why we use exponents. Okay, so what is the weight of the moon? Weight of the moon somewhat नहीं पता मुझे, like I'm telling what is the weight of the planet XYZ. Okay, हमने अभी नया planet like we have discovered a new planet. Its weight is 1 2 3 4 5 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 kg. Now weight कितना है इसका बोलने के लिए कितना मुश्किल होगा, right? So using exponents and powers, we can tell the weight of the planet XYZ is 1.2345. Like पॉइंट यहाँ पे डाले हैं तो काउंट करो यहाँ से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 इंटू 10 रेज टू 12 kgs. सो ये कितना आसानी है बोलना, 1.2345 इंटू 10 रेज टू 12 kgs. वेरी इजी टू टेल. ये प्रोनाउंस करके दिखाओ. ओके. ऑल्सो द साइज ऑफ द कोविड वायरस कितना है? साइज ऑफ द कोविड वायरस कितना है? 0.3 माइक्रोन. ओके, माइक्रोन मीन्स व्हाट? 10 raised to minus 6 watt. 10 raised to minus 6 watt. Okay, 10 raised to minus 6. Is it millimeters? Is it meters? Is it centimeter? Okay, so micron to conversion कैसा करना है ये तुम्हारा होमवर्क है आज का. So what are the units? Micron means what? माइक्रोमीटर है या क्या है? ओके, सो ये बताना है मुझे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तो यस, सो 0.0000003, like this can be written as 0.3 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. ओके, सो और एक जीरो आना चाहिए यहाँ पे. सो 0.3 इंटू 10 रेज टू माइनस 6 ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम. ठीक है. So yes, that's why these are the uses of exponents and powers. Okay, so what have we learned today? We have learned some properties of exponents. Okay, so extra time questions. Correct, extra time. Still time is left, so let us solve some extra time questions. So एक दो करते हैं, मैं होमवर्क दे दूंगा तुम लोगों को. अच्छा, चार में से we will solve two problems. I will give you homework. Okay, discuss with your friends and tell me in the tomorrow's class. Okay, yes, if 1125 is equal to 3 raised to something and 5 raised to something, find the value of m raised to n. तो ये बहुत ही easy है, like factorize 1125. Okay, so करे 1125 को factorize. Let us divide by 5. 5 2 जा 10, 5 2 जा 10, 5 5 जा 25, 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, 5 1 जा 5, 5 9 जा 45, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 1. So 3 दो बार आया है, 5 3 बार आया है. So this is nothing but equal to 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 3. Yes? Okay. Next problem. Next problem. If 9 into 3x is 27 raised to something, find the value of x. ओके देखो यहाँ पे गाइस कैसे करना है ये. सो 9 times 3 raised to x is equal to 27. 27 कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 3 क्यूब. 3 raised to 3 is 27. 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27 raised to 2x minus 3. ओके सो 9 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? हाउ कैन वी राइट दिस 9? वी कैन राइट 9 एज 3 raised to 2, राइट? 3 स्क्वायर इज 2. अब सेम बेस है तो ऐड कर सकते हैं. 3 raised to 2 plus x is equal to 3 raised to m raised to n, मतलब m into n मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो 3 2 जा 6x, 3 3 ja minus 9. Now the bases are same. Equate the powers. 2 plus x is equal to 6x minus 9. Okay, x यहाँ पे लेके जाओ. So 6x minus 5x कितना हो जाएगा? 6x minus x we get 5x and 9 plus 2 we get 11. So 11 is equal to 5x. X is equal to 11 by 5. This is the answer for 11. This is the answer for x. Yes. Now the remaining two questions I want you to solve as the homework. Okay, try to solve this as the homework and we will meet tomorrow very soon, probably maybe 10 o'clock, yeah, 11 o'clock definitely. Okay, so I will update the timings in the Discord, guys. Okay, so you can learn more things well in advance. Okay, even if you are in 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, it doesn't matter, you can learn this. Even if you are in 9th 10th standard, you can revise it. Yes, so we will stop here. That's all for today, students. Okay, so देखो हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है. ये आंसर्स बाद में तुमको करना है. So yes, that's all for today then. We will stop here. Bye bye, have a nice day. Thank you everyone.